Finger waves. The creation of a fluid flow from one end of the hand to the other through use of the fingers. Rolls. A perfectly repeated rounded wave where the last part of the roll triggers the first origin of the roll. Contours. Much like in liquid, contours include following along the outline of an object, be it imaginary or real. Sinks. To create a pattern in which some form of synchronicity is achieved between each hand's fingers. This can be achieved on any axis or angle while remaining stationary or in motion. Contortions. This technique involves bending a wave so that it appears to be pinched at its central axis and then restructuring it back into another wave. Mirrors. The act of creating perfect symmetry between two hands. Mirrors can flow in any direction and use any form or style, just as long as each hand matches as if they were a mirror image of each other. Braids. Interlocking fingers in a one after another fashion. Braids can be twisted and contorted as well. Axis shifts. Taking any digit technique and then shifting the hands oppositely along a vertical or horizontal axis. Remotes. Using one hand to manipulate or control the other. hides. This technique entails any form that will make fingers and or hand seem to disappear and reappear, or any other move that holds a magic presence to it.